Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my version for Trini garlic sauce. It's going to be a very rich, delicious, garlicky condiment that you can use on barbecue, on fries, or whatever you would like to use this on. So let me show you how easy this one is going to be to put together. So to make this, we're starting, we have sliced garlic, pimento pepper, bandania or shadow benny, mayo, you can use vegan mayo or regular mayo, salt, pepper, and you're using white pepper, white vinegar, milk, and some sugar. So I'm going to add all of my ingredients to my blender. So my milk, my vinegar, which is the same vinegar you make pepper sauce with, salt, sugar, and if you wanted to omit the sugar, you can. And goes 1 head of garlic along with 2 pimento peppers. If you wanted to make it spicy, you can add a scotch bonnet. In goes my bandania leaves, white pepper. The white pepper adds a different taste to this, so you want to use white and not black. And in goes my mayo. You can use eggless mayo, or you can use regular mayo, or you can use whatever mayo you would like to use, even if it's made with avocado oil, go for it. So we're going to cover and blend. You want to blend until it's very, very smooth and everything comes together. You don't want any lumps of garlic in there, so blend it until it's very, very smooth. You want to check it and taste it at this point and make sure that all of the flavor and the salt is balanced. And once it's finished, all you have to do is pour it out into your container. Now it does seem like if it's a little bit on the runny side, but as this sits and it sets up, it thickens. So hence the reason why I like it at this consistency. You can also pour it into your squeeze bottles. It's easier to serve this way. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. How easy, simple, and trust me, this is going to be so delicious. You all are going to love it. So comment down below, let me know what you think if you try this recipe. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Do remember to stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.